In today's video, we play the game of life.
Yay! Yeah!
Hello everybody, my name is Patrick and this is Dad Life Projects. Today, I'm playing the game of life with my son and daughter, Super Mario version.
Super Mario Edition!
Yeah, Super Mario version. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, let's get started.
Yoshi.
No.
Okay,
Alright, you be Yoshi.
These are characters. Characters!
Oh man. Alright, let's...
So this game isn't about reaching retirement or collecting the most money. To win, you'll have to battle Bowser and spin 12 plus times to defeat him. The path on this game board splits and loops. So you choose which areas to explore and when to head towards Bowser's castle. Use coins to buy stars. Each star boosts the spin +1 in the fight against Bowser. Compete in minigames. Minigames let you battle other players for prizes. So then I spin right now?
Yep. Is that a 10?
No, that's a 1.
That's a 1. So you're green, right?
Yeah, because it's right here on this side map. That's a 1. It's a 1.
It's a 1.
Move right there. So you get 5, right?
It's my turn, right?
So...
That. Still do.
3.
3. 1, 2, 3. What's that?
Look on your card. It'll tell you.
That's action. Draw an action card and do what it says.
There you go.
Swap. Keep this card until you're ready to use it. Trade any one of your companions for another player's companion. Or trade it for the top card in the companion deck.
The companion?
I think I'll do that. Toadette, lucky number 1. Collect 4 coins from the bank when any player spins a 1. Woo.
Is that all the time?
Yeah,
Or just once?
all the time.
Hey,
It says when any player spins a 1.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What? That's a question.
No, it's this one because you start on this one. You start here, 2,
1,
3,
2,
4.
3, 4. What is that thing?
It's
Let's
just
check.
spin again.
Draw a mini game card and battle it out.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mini game. Alright. Let's do this.
Oh, that's
Spin off. Challenge all players. Lowest spinner wins and can move to any unoccupied space.
on the board.
Yes.
Lowest spinner wins.
Yes. Is that right?
Do you want to go first?
Yes. Is it 7?
7.
I don't think I won.
Oh, Mac, you did it wrong.
Yes.
No.
Did we do it?
Yes.
Yeah, redo it.
3.
3. This is gonna be hard to beat.
Oh, you get to move yours anywhere, dude.
Oh, I stopped in video. You go.
How did you?
What? You stop immediately on the star. So.
So, does that
now
mean
I
you get a
get
star
to-
then?
Yes.
5 for 10. Oh, okay. There you go.
Buy money.
Good job. There you go. Give them a star.
What?
Calm
Purple.
down.
Purple.
There you go.
Oh yeah, because that's the color of the thing right there.
Yes. There you go,
That's
Maggie.
why I wanna.
Okay, it's my turn to spin now.
There you
Oh,
go.
you put them right there.
Yep.
My item said steal one companion from any player.
I don't understand.
No, steal one companion from any player. My card
But can't
says.
you do it at any time? Because what if I get a better pet and you've already used
Must be
it?
played to the start of your turn before you spin.
Oh.
So.
Next round, you're not.
Now there was an item, now it's a pet.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And
3
then a
coins.
companion.
3? Alright, here you go. You got one? You got it?
I'll say
Alright, Judy, your turn.
2.
1, 2.
1.
I need
2.
6.
I
I
need
need 6.
count 1. Challenge 1 player to a fun more. I'm bad at fun ones.
Come
Well,
on.
Judy, you would have a higher chance against me. Because you know how Daddy is.
I'm ready.
You're gonna kill my phone. I'm doing mag.
Okay.
You're gonna kill my phone. Okay. Mag. No, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. I declare fun more. 5, 6, 7, 8. Try to keep your phone straight. 1, 2.
And look at this. Woo!
1, 2. You don't have my phone. You don't have my phone. No. You don't. You can't grab my whole phone with your whole hand.
Yeah, dude.
It's cheating. You're cheating.
You're the one who's moving your handle.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Alright.
7, 8,
You're
9,
not.
10.
There you go.
Hurts. Yep.
Alright, what do we got then?
He
What is-
needs 6 coins. Money. My phone hurts.
There you go.
I'm gonna steal my phone.
I'm a mean one.
2.
1, 2.
What is it? Oh.
Oh, it's a roulette. Oh.
Rock, paper, scissors. Dad, so we play rock, paper, scissors.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, what is it for?
1 star.
Oh.
Judy, you can steal your star back if you don't.
I don't care. It's from the bank anyways.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ready?
Scissors.
1 round?
Oh.
Yeah, 1 round.
And there you go.
Take a yellow so you can't steal it again.
Of course.
Take
many
a
stars
yellow
do you
so
guys
can't
have?
steal it.
Yes. There.
Nine!
Woohoo! Alright guys, how was that Mario? How was the Mario?
Here you go,
Yeah.
Judy.
Fun!
Here you go.
Good, good, good.
Here's Toadette too.
Alright guys, it was a fun game. It
Put
was
away.
a different spin on the game of life. With that, make sure to subscribe, like, comment. Also check out the videos that are around me here.
Somewhere.
And
over
remember, any project you guys do, you are the project manager. Goodbye.
here. Yay!